Let's go.
A council govern our lives by the 7-day inclusive week. Each day of the week has its own character, for the days are determined by the solar, lunar, and planetary bodies that govern the different days. There are major abosom who animate these solar, lunar, and planetary bodies.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so basically, for the abosom, it's and Kanit and Kemet. The abosom called Osar, also known as Ajo or Awusi, Set, Esi or Ajwa, Sekmet, Bina, Sekmet, Abana.
Okay, let's start again. I mentioned Osiris. Osar.
In Kanit and Kemet, the abosom are called Osar, which is Awusi, also known as Adro. Basically,
okay. So Osar is called Awusi
when he's governing, basically
when he's governing the Sunday, it's Osar, and when he's governing Monday, it's called Awusi.
No,
or
he
Ajwa.
is Adro.
It's a Joe, yes. It's Kojo. Monday is Kojo.
No,
my brother
Adro.
is, yes, Ajo.
Yes.
Ajo is Kojo, my Madeline. The
No,
KW.
Kwejo is supposed to be servant of.
Yes, Kojo is servant of Osar.
Which is Adro.
Yeah, so Ajo is Monday. So which means
yes.
He governs Monday and Sunday.
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to say. So Osar governs Monday and Sunday. And in the account names for those who are born on Monday and Sunday, the Sunday is Kwesi. When he's governing Sunday, his name is Kwesi. And when he's governing Monday, his name is Ajo or Kwejo, servant of Osar. Okay. And the females, the females on Sunday is Awusi or Esi. For Sunday, Monday they are Ajwa or Set. Ajwa. Let's go.
Sekmet, Abana, Hiru Behudet, Bina, Set, which is...
No, wait. Sekmet is Tuesday born. Those born on Tuesday, Sekmet. Abana, female. And Bina Behudet is Kwabna. Let's go.
Okay, Set, which is Ewuku, and Nebhat is Akuya.
Okay, so Wednesday borns, the deity that governs you, the day you were born under, is female Akuya and male Ewuku or Kweku. Let's go.
Then we have Heru, which is Yao, Wajet, which is Ya, and Nekabet being Abba.
On Thursday, the spirit that governs you is male Hiru, which is Yao or Kwao. And the female, you have Ya, which is me, myself. Today is my day. Sunset is going to be my day. You are under Wajet. You were born under Wajet. The spirit Wajet Thursday. And your name is Ya. And then there's another one called Abba. Yeah. So we are twins. There's Abba and Ya. In Yoruba, Ya is called Oya. And Abba is called Oba. And the male Hiru, I don't know his name in Yoruba, but I know that in Yoruba, Oya is Ya, which is me. And Abba is Oba. Yes. Let's go on.
Hetiru, which is Afi, also known as Amenwa, and Amenmen, or Men, which is supposed to be Amenmen, also known as Fi.
Okay. So on Friday, they govern 2 days. When it's governing Friday, when the deities are governing Friday, the male name is Fi. The female is Efua. The same deity governs Saturday. And when they govern Saturday, the male is Amemen. And the female is Ama. Male is Kwame. Female is Ama. So those born on Saturday, your male name, the men are called Kwame, and the females are Ama. When you're born on Friday, it's the same deity that governs those 2 days. You are Fi or Kofi for the male, Efua or Efia for the female on Friday. Okay.
The Accra Deen soul names have variations according to dialect. The Accra Deen Bosums are worshipped by all Afrikanite ethnic groups.
Yes. So there's the Accra Deen Bosum that we worship. The days of the week we worship, we call them Accra Deen Bosum. When I was singing, I was calling their name and I was asking them to forgive us. They are the ones that governs our head region. And they are the ones that I call them Accra Deen Bosum, me pau chow, oh, Accra Deen Bosum, me pau chow, 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 Accra Deen Bosum, me pau chow.
Their titles vary in accordance with each language. The names of the days of the week in Akan culture are derived from the names of the major abosom who animate the solar, lunar, or planetary body, which governs the day.
Yes. So the abosom that we worship are the abosom who governs nature, the solar and the lunar, and everything in nature. Those are the ones we worship. We do not worship anything from India, anything from China. Everything we worship is nature. The planets, the solar, lunar, planetaries, they are all we worship. We don't worship anything else. Okay? Let's go, ma.
All right.
If you're starting something new, let me know. Or continue first.
Thus, the planet Bina or Abina is named after and governed by the male abosom Bina and the female abosom Abina, which is also Heteru and Sekhmet and Kemet, called Ogun and Iyami Abini in Yoruba.
Okay, let me cut this one for now. We're going to continue.